Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the all-new Vivo V40. And trust me, there's a lot to love about this phone. First off, the design is absolutely beautiful. It's sleek, slim, and feels premium in the hand. The curved edges, the matte finish, and those eye-catching colors. Vivo really nailed the aesthetics this time. Now let's talk about the display. The V40 features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Everything looks super smooth. Whether you're scrolling, gaming, or just watching videos, the colors are vibrant, the brightness is great, and it's perfect for media lovers. Moving on to the cameras. Vivo continues its tradition of offering excellent camera performance. The V40 packs a 50mm main sensor with OIS, which means you get sharp, stable shots even in tricky lighting. The portrait mode is fantastic, and low-light photos come out surprisingly well thanks to AI optimization. Performance-wise, this phone runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. It's fast, efficient, and handles daily tasks with ease, from multitasking to playing graphic-heavy games. Plus, it stays cool, even during extended use. Battery life is another strong point. You get a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day, and it supports 44W fast charging.